Hey guys, how's it going? So now we are going to do some group activities. You are already in your groups, Group A, Group B, and Group C. So for this worksheet, all the activities, Task A, Task B, and Task C, all of these will be in your groups. So, and we're going to start with Task A. Task A is the main activity, but if you finish with Task A in your group early, then you can move on to Task B. And if you finish with that one early, then you can move on to Task C. So, yeah, so Task A is the main activity. If you finish early, you can do Task B as a group. And if you finish Task B, you can do Task C as a group. But just start with Task A, focusing on that, since that is the main activity. So just discuss these 4 questions about national parks and tourism in this region of China. You can just answer the 4 questions and have one person in your group can write down the answers to the questions, and then we'll talk about them. But if you finish those early, you can move on to Task B. So Task B is a discussion activity. So it's just some questions about national parks and inside and outside. So like right now we're inside, and then out the window you can see outside. So there's 2 different places. We have inside and we have outside. But it's kind of funny that inside is kind of it's an invention. It's created by human beings. There was a time in the past, a long time ago, maybe thousands of years ago, that there was not really any inside. Everyone was just outside all the time. Maybe we should spend more time outside. I don't know. So yeah, you can just read those questions and just have a discussion in your group. You don't need to write anything. And if you finish with Task B, you can move on to Task C. This is similar. Just have a discussion. You don't have to write anything down or answer questions. Just have a conversation. You can just look at these 6 pictures. They each are a different biome or a different natural environment. So we have the desert, we have the mountains, the ocean, plains, the jungle, and the city. All very different kinds of places. And you can just talk about what you like about them, which ones you think are pretty, or maybe would be dangerous, or so you can read the questions and have just, again, for Task C, just a discussion. And again, that's if you finish with Task A early. So I'll let you guys get to it. You can look at those questions and see what you come up with.